Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to the life you want.
Wanna make this? I will select any video. Then I will write any desired text on it. I will choose the text size and color and place it in the correct position. After that, I will create a duplicate of the previous text. I will clear all the letters except the one I want to highlight. Then I will change the color of that letter and place it on top of the first text line.
Step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to the life you want.